Hey guys, we're going to show you today how to put the NISMO shift knob on my car, Skyline 350 GT. Okay guys, so we're going to pull the old shift knob currently I have on my car, and we're going to pull this out, and we're going to put this one right here, NISMO Aluminum NISMO shift knob. I ordered it from Ningan.com, from direct from Japan. Hopefully this is going to go well.
The old one is out.
Yeah, that looks pretty. I like this one, but the fact the top,
This looks too nice. Comes with the sticker. Wow.
awesome. It has the little stickers. Okay, so the adapters, we also need the adapters we got here. So these adapters, you guys seen it online, they're not going to be good for this car. The only reason why this one is good on it, because I sanded all around, as you guys see on the video, in order for it to go inside, else it was a little bit too big. So now we're gonna put this in, click, yeah, just put it inside, push it all the way. It should go right there.
Sweet.
This is perfect. Now
Wow,
let's roll this thing. Man,
damn, son,
this thing's gonna look awesome.
holy shit.
NISMO. If you guys do want to order one of these, it's a very good one. It costs about $114 toll from Japan to Toronto, Ontario, Canada. It cost me toll, and it's in Ningan.com. It's much cheaper than if you were to buy one in eBay. Will cost you approximately $160. So yeah, great site. It shipped in within 10 days right to my door. Quality over quantity, guys, remember. How is that thing? Oh damn, this thing looks, yeah, let's just roll it all the way to the end. Okay, this is, I think, good. Look at it, guys.
Sexy, damn.
Look at this.
Where's the
Sweet.
clutch?
How is it? Good?
Damn.
Man, I'm on the right hand.
Snati, that's how I want him. Snati.
Oh sweet, this is what I'm talking about, guys. For those one who's watching, I'm going to tell you, I've seen online Mishimoto, Tommy, this one, NISMO shift knob. Out of all of the shift knobs so far, I've been searching for about 3 months. The best one, I tell you guys, is this one. Why? Because it's like the perfect size for your hand, very comfortable, and it's 70 millimeter, very nice, beautiful aluminum. It's just great. I mean, if you guys wanna order one of these, you guys will be very happy, very satisfied.
Comes with the sticker.
And let's put that little sticker. Comes with also, guys, just to mention, it comes with the, yeah, let's take this one off and we'll put the new one. So we're gonna pull off the old sticker, 6-speed from the previous shift knob, the old one right here, as you guys see. We're going to be putting the new one. Comes with 5-speed, as you guys see here. 5-speed it has, and the 6-speed right here. So this car is obviously 6-speed. We're gonna put it right on top where it was, and this thing's gonna look beautiful. Beautiful. This is perfect. Awesome. Nichiwa, it's okay. This looks good.
Fiat GTR.
Okay, guys, you see this? It's very comfortable, short shift. I mean, look how beautiful it is, because it's so small shift knob, makes it look like it's like a short shifter. So yeah, guys, check it out in ningun.com. You guys will be satisfied with it. And yeah, I'll let you guys go for now. And yeah, take care, guys.